I guess these are floating houses. You can find out here. Not floating, they have been on stilts actually. So we are taking this small kind of minivan to Inle Lake where we will take the boat. It's around 10 minutes to 8. We just arrived a couple of hours back, not couple of, by 6:30 we arrived, so we had a quick freshen up, had our breakfast, and the journey to Inle Lake starts. So see you from Inle Lake. In the meantime, enjoy these are the outskirts of Nangshui, I think. We are having some kind of festival or fair. That's the reason you can see all those food stalls as well as clothes stalls set up. So we arrived at the Inle. I think this is from where our boat would depart. I don't know how many people would be there in the boat as of now. I hope. Okay, I'm all decked up with hats and all. As usual with tourist places, they're trying to sell us hats. Not really interested in a hat. These are the boats, I think. That's Mr. Liu, who is in charge to arrange for our boats and everything. And this is the start of Inle Lake. Okay, this is the boat journey starts from Inle to, Inle Lake. We are starting our boat journey. There are 4 of us in the boat. It is wobbly a little bit, but I hope it stays strong. It is quite spooky, but nevertheless, let's see how it goes. Hello guys, this is the boat ride to on Inle Lake. We have just started. It's a bit odd because we are dressed like this. Enjoy the view. We have reached the main core area. I guess these are floating houses. You can find out here. Not floating, they have been monsters actually. So this is our first stop. I think it's to a traditional silversmith place, and obviously it's for less of a demonstration, more for selling. Not interested in buying actually, but still once we have done now.
Okay, this is silver.
100% pure silver. Very soft.
And then we went to Ayohama to the square side. We use this. This like smaller is one line for time, one line for time. Okay, and then we use this one ICLO side. Wire hidden, wire inside the whole wire hidden plug, wire hidden plug. And then maybe on this side. This is a necklace. It is a silver wire required to get a spirit. It is the whole. This is we use just the measure of silver bonder and boring. We heat a good drop. This is traditional design. This is traditional design.